Let's get you now updates from Bengal, where there's a fresh legacy war that's erupted ahead of the assembly elections later this year. Both the BJP and the TMC are taking out political rallies in Kolkata on Swami Vivekananda's 158th birth anniversary today. BJP Bengal President Dilip Ghosh is leading the rally to Vivekananda's residence, along with BJP stalwarts like Mukul Roy, Swapan Das Gupta, Soumitra Khan and Rahul Sinha. You've got, on the other hand, Mamta's nephew Abhishek Banerjee leading a rally organized by the TMC from Gold Park to Ramakrishna Mission in South Kolkata. This legacy war over Vivekananda comes days after both parties had a similar war of words over the legacy of Rabindranath Tagore and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
বন্দে মাতরম বলতেই পারি, কিন্তু সবকিছুরই একটা স্থান কাল পাত্র একটা সাদৃশ্যবোধ সবকিছুকে মিলিয়ে করতে হয়। এটা আমার কেন্দ্র শশীর কেন্দ্র।
আমার প্রশ্ন,
এখানে আমি 5 বার জেতা লোকসভার সাংসদ, কিন্তু আমি কি এখানে 4টে তৃণমূলের পতাকা নিয়ে এলে দেখতে ভালো না? আরো 10টা নেতাকে জমায়েত করে আনলে ভালো না? আমরা সেটা করি না, আমরা আমাদের মতো এসেছি।
जिस रास्ते पर स्वामी जी ने चल करके देशवासियों को चलने की प्रेरणा दी है, देश तो उस रास्ते पर चलने का काम शुरू कर चुका है। पश्चिम बंगाल में जो काम बाकी है वह 2021 के विधानसभा चुनाव के बाद वह भी शुरू होगा, यह मेरा विश्वास है।
Indrajit Kundu is joining us live from Kolkata with the latest updates on this. Indrajit, not surprising that we're really seeing this all-out fight for legacy, because every single time this has become the narrative now between the BJP and the TMC over Bengali culture, over Bengali icons.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, it does not come in as a surprise, really. And every year we see a galaxy of political leaders coming and paying homage at this very residence of Swami Vivekananda. This is the ancestral residence that my camera person can show. And at this very residence, everybody comes and pays their homage on this very day. It's a special day, 12th of January, the birth anniversary, the 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. And we are seeing early this morning several leaders, both Trinamool Congress leaders like MP Shudip Bandyopadhyay and Bengal Minister Shashi Panja, and now of course the entire Bengal BJP leadership, be it Dilip Ghosh, be it other leaders, they're all coming out and paying homage to the legacy of Swami Vivekananda. This comes of course right ahead of the highly charged West Bengal Assembly elections, barely a few months ahead, and already we are seeing a high-pitched campaign from both the political parties. So at this point in time, while the BJP leaders are paying their homage, you can see they're all standing right below the statue of Swami Vivekananda, Soumitra Khan there, the BJP youth president, as well as other leaders of the BJP, and Dilip Ghosh of course led this rally today. The BJP is saying that this is a apolitical rally. It's a non-political rally. They did not have the BJP flag here. And shortly from now, we are also expecting Abhishek Banerjee, Trinamool Congress MP. He will also come and pay his tributes. So this very residence of Swami Vivekananda, the ancestral residence, has become a hotspot of political activity today, as leaders make a beeline to mark and pay their homage. You would remember just a few days back when Home Minister Amit Shah visited Bengal, he started his 2-day campaign from this place, from Swami Vivekananda's ancestral residence. And we always see BJP leaders talking about Vivekananda, Netaji and their legacy. And it's the same from Trinamool Congress as well, with Mamta Banerjee, talking about the legacy of so many icons of Bengal. So clearly, seems like a legacy battle between both the parties, when the Trinamool Congress is hitting out at the BJP, saying the BJP is a party of outsiders, does not really understand the cultural heritage of Bengal. The BJP making a huge pomp and show today through this rally that they have organized this morning, and they're trying to, send across this message and also counter the Trinamool's propaganda that the BJP is a party of outsiders, doesn't really understand the cultural heritage of Bengal.
Okay, all right. Indrajit, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with that update from Kolkata.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.